Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to convert your Word document to Google Form. Now, the first thing you want to do is ensure that you're properly signed in to your Google Form, and you can achieve that by just heading to your browser and then typing in Google Form, and it will take you to this dashboard. This is the Google Form dashboard. To achieve that, ensure that you have your Gmail already logged in to your PC. Now, to convert your Word document to Google Form, ensure that you already have your Word document opened up. All right, so this is what my Word document looks like. Now, you would want to copy all the questions here, all the information here from your Word document to your Google Form. Before we begin, we'll head back to our Google Form and pick the form we want to work with. For the purpose of this video, we're not going to be working with any templates or any recent forms that we had worked with in the past. We'll just head over to the plus icon over here to start a new form. So this is the blank form. We'll just click on that and we'll personalize this form. So the first thing you want to do is tag or give a name or a title to your Google form. So let's say we want to title my form as this. All right. Having done that, the next thing you want to do is give your form its shape. So for the first question on this form, you head back to your Word document and then ensure that you copy the foremost question you want to appear on your Google form. So you just highlight that and copy, or you can highlight it and then right click and then click on copy, and you successfully copy that question. Head back to your Google form and then simply paste that question. So you can see the first question has been reflected. So head over to this drop down icon over here. Google Form gives you a variety of options on how you want your answer to reflect, either as multiple choice, paragraph, short answer. Let's say I want my answers to appear as paragraph. So I'll click on that and then it will reflect here. Next, head over to this drop down icon here and then click on the equation sign, which helps you to add different sections for your Google Forms. When I click on that, you see that a section will be created. So I'll head back to my Word document and then click on another question I want, copy that, and then head back to my Google form and then paste that over here. So this is how you can successfully navigate, transferring your information from your Word document to your Google Drive or to your Google Forms rather until you've successfully created your Google form. So I hope you've been able to learn how to convert your Word document to your Google form using these simple steps. And when you're done, head over to the top right corner over here, click on publish, and you have your Google form ready. So ensure that you copy the link over here and send it to as many recipients as you want. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye for now.